Hello students, good morning to all. Today's class we are going to discuss about polygenic inheritance, the next concept in genetics, polygenetic inheritance, right? So let us start. So polygenic inheritance, the traits studied by Mendel in Garden P have two distinct alternate forms, but there are several characters which are not so distinct in their occurrence. The traits studied by Mendel in garden pea plant have two distinct alternate forms. Whatever Mendel had studied. So capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, small t, homozygous dominant and heterozygous dominant and recessive, small t. But there are several characters which are not so distinct in their occurrence. So different types of the characters are not occurrence as like that Mendel proposed. Such traits are called polygenic traits since they are controlled by number of genes. So whatever Mendel had proposed, the height of the plant controlled by capital T gene or small t gene or capital T small t, capital T tall, small t dwarf, short, capital T small t also tall. So traits are controlled by single gene there where Mendel proposed. So polygenic inheritance means so many number of genes. Polygenic, poly means many, genic genes. Many genes controls single body character, that is called polygenic inheritance. Right? Such traits are called polygenic inheritance since they are controlled by a number of genes. Trait means is nothing but character. Earlier we discussed one phenomenon, that is pleiotropy. What is pleiotropy? Pleiotropy means one gene controls many characters, that is called pleiotropy. One gene control many characters, that is called pleiotropy. Starch in grains we discussed earlier. So this is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic in the name only. Many genes controls the inheritance. Many genes controls the trait is called polygenic inheritance, right? So examples for polygenic inheritance: human skin color, height and intelligence are some of the examples of polygenic traits. Human skin color, the color of human skin, and human height and intelligence are examples of polygenic traits. So skin color, height and intelligence, those are all controlled by single gene or multiple genes, many genes, two or more genes. Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of environment. Polygenic inheritance also takes into the account the influence of environment also. And polygenic inheritance is also called quantitative inheritance. The another name of polygenic inheritance is called quantitative inheritance, as the character or phenotype can be quantified like amount of pigment, intelligence, etc. So polygenic inheritance also called quantitative inheritance, as the character or phenotype can be quantified like amount of pigment and intelligent. Quantity, here quantity is the most important. So like amount of pigment, how much amount of pigment is presented, that is related to quantity, and intelligence, etc. Human skin color is believed to be controlled by three different genes, A, B and C. The human skin color, the color of human skin is believed to be controlled by the three different genes, capital A, capital B, capital C, where darkness is the dominant over light skin color. Dark color is the dominant color trait and light is recessive. Dark skin color is dominant and light skin color is recessive. Got it? Right. The alleles of the three genes show Mendelian pattern of inheritance. So whatever the alleles of the three genes, A, B, C genes, show Mendelian pattern of inheritance. Mendelian pattern of inheritance means formation of gametes, F1 generation, and F1 crossed with F1, F2 generation, and again F2 generation gametes, and finally offsprings are formed and formed in different ratio. These are all Mendelian pattern of inheritance. In the following, there is mating between individuals with the darkest skin and the lightest skin produced offspring with intermediate skin color. So, the human skin color, the genes which is responsible for human skin color, A, B and C, dark is the dominant, light is the recessive. In the following, there is mating between individuals with the darkest skin and with the lightest skin produce offspring. What is formed in F1? Intermediate skin color is formed, not dark, not light. There is new character formed in F1. Again F1 into F1. In F2, there is again repeated, dark repeated, light repeated. So many different types of offsprings are repeated, right? So cross, we will check how the cross happened, right? So first, once again we should revise polygenic inheritance. The traits studied by Mendel in Garden P have two distinct alternate forms, but there are several characters which are not so distinct in their occurrence. Such traits are called polygenic traits since they are controlled by a number of genes. The characters which are controlled by number of genes, such type of the characters are called, such type of the genes are called polygenic inheritance. Human skin color, height and intelligence are some of the examples of polygenic traits. So what are the examples for polygenic traits? Human skin color, height and intelligence. Right? Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of environment. Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of environment also. It is also called quantitative inheritance, not qualitative, quantitative inheritance. As the character or phenotype can be quantified, like means counted, like amount of pigment and intelligence, etc. Human skin color is believed to be controlled by three different genes, A, B and C, where darkness is dominant over the light skin color. Dark skin color is the dominant and light skin color is recessive. The alleles of three genes show Mendelian pattern of inheritance. So whatever the alleles are presented related to these genes, those are show Mendelian pattern of inheritance, formation of gametes, and by that F1 and F2 generation is formed like that. In the following, there is mating between individuals with the darkest skin and the lightest skin produced offspring with the intermediate skin color, not dark, not light. Okay, that is intermediate skin color. So how the cross happened? So we will discuss. After this clear? So just don't get confused between polygenic inheritance and pleiotropy. Pleiotropy means one gene controls many characters is called pleiotropy. Polygenic inheritance means many genes, more number of genes controls, multiple genes controls single character. That is called polygenic inheritance. Right? Okay.